togotigana nayo nigo Bunge Bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba Daniel Manduku aberega kubainekeria abaorokia bonsi korwase Bunge yo nanigo agochia kubekemero berisa ine yoko enekia bunango sirwa bare anene ase okomentwa imesara niga kwa nachinga ki chiomoyega bwoko iraneria bwoko somoyega bwo wakangambia muno ase ogokora bya kwa barokigwa ase nsemo ya ichuni ase nonya nabo ate na goikachi kwenekia buna abaorokia babere bawakanwa emesara yabo binchire moyoko bakonya guseko babeka umukia bwoko koria bya gosebwo konya abaorokiwa gokora bya ase chisukuru
Bwana wali kwaito ngatukwatera namo na baibuli na baibande elinde tukini sebi tena libasa bwana wali mwanga tukiwa korega siki kabire wekabaye kwa matunda wewe wakamia ukapara kikikanga sana yani kuko tena ya nani kile sebi ile basi motivation kit basi siku tulichokora pia lakini ile tutala kwa kero mwanga tuweza kuisaranza tuwakesa kwa karibia uraigwa wewe sabani hai.
We focus on primary school infrastructure. We complete projects teachers agato mojume machogo lakini imiake yevere to focus on primary schools. New roofing, new floors, painting so that our children have decent environment in the classroom.
I want to appeal to the government. The 3% levy that they wanted to tax our teachers, let them make 30% for salary increment. So that teachers, what they want is salary increment is not a deduction. So our CPA, as it was spelled out, last time we got an non-mandatory CPA. This time around, we want them to make that 3% to be 30% so that our teachers can get at least something to take home and be able to do others. Because we know through the PSS, there's a scheme that they brought where a teacher can be able to withdraw 40% of the superannuation scheme.